Good morning students, welcome back to Triveni Memorial Senior Secondary School online classes. Students, today we are going to start with one of our another topic, that is women, caste and reforms. So let's see students. Students, if we talk about India before 200 years ago, what we found that people were having very orthodox mentality, and especially regarding the caste system, regarding the women's. Women were not allowed to gain education, they were not allowed to remarry again, and in fact sati practice was also observed in India. But what we observed that after a particular period of time, we started moving towards the change. We started moving towards ending all these orthodox thinking of the people, in which various reformers, Indian reformers, come forward and contribute towards this field. Then either that was the stopping of caste system or your humiliation of women. So let's see. Firstly, what we observe? We observe that by this time period we have different means of communications with us. Books were there, magazines were there, or you can say in fact press was also active at that time. And as I already told you that many Indian reformers come in support of this. First of all, among all those reformers, first one was Raja Ram Mohan Roy, and what we observe about Raja Ram Mohan Roy, you can clearly see here that he founded your Brahma Sabha, and he very well knew Persian language, Sanskrit language, European language, and he just want to spread the Western education in India and want to kill this orthodox thinking of the people in India. He wants freedom and equality for women, and he also fight against ending the sati pratha practiced in India. Thereafter, what we observed, many reformers came forward who support the widow remarriage, and among them Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar, Swami Dayanand Saraswati was there. Thereafter, we observed that girls who were not allowed to enter to the schools in order to gain education, they also started going to schools with the help of those women's contribution who already gained education by this movement. That is why our next heading is women right about women. By this movement, all the women who were educated, like all who belongs to royal families, like Begum of Bhopal, they started opening schools for Muslim girls so that they can gain education. Begum Ruqayya Shekhawat Hussain, Tarabai Shinde from Pune, at a particular widow's house only, she started teaching the widows, educating them that they are also human beings and sati pratha is not something that literally exists in our society. And Pandita Ramabai, of course, who was a Sanskrit scholar and very much educated, and she just contributed to the field so much and educated the women, opens the schools for the girls also, and contributed a lot for women. Thereafter, our next topic is law against child marriage. Earlier, what happened? We observed that child marriage was there into existence, but later after what we saw that legislative assembly passed one of the law banning child marriage in India, which is restricted, which is illegal nowadays. And next is formation of political pressure groups. Now if we see, we can say that there was an existence of many political groups in India by that time, where we observed that these political groups fight for female suffrage, that in order to provide right to vote to them, providing healthcare facilities, education, hospitals for them, and all these points, all these pressure groups, they were provided support by all the prominent leaders in India present at that moment, like Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, like Subhash Chandra Bose, and many more. So basically what we learn in this chapter, student, that slowly and steadily India moves towards change, and nowadays if we observe, it's not like 200 years ago back. We developed a lot. All people are treated equally, whether that's women, whether that's man, all are equal. So that's it about our chapter. Hope you understand the chapter very well. Now we will meet in the next class. Till then, take care and stay safe all of you. Like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.